Welcome back and good morning. Today we're going to set up a campaign objective using engagement plus messaging. Inside your Facebook page, click Menu, click Ads Manager. Once you're inside your Ads Manager, click Create. Let's wait. Now choose your campaign objective. Today we're going to use the engagement. Inside the engagement we have the messenger, okay, and then click continue. Select manual engagement campaign, continue. Now edit your campaign name. Carbon 2026 engagement plus messaging campaign. Okay, now scroll down. In the budget strategy, we're going to use CBO or your campaign objective, budget objective. Okay, your daily budget is 500, your startup campaign. Scroll down. Scroll. We're done here, so click next. Here in the ad set, edit the ad set name. Car brand 2026 engagement plus messaging campaign. Okay, message destination. Okay, so we choose message destination. Choose your Facebook page as the destination. I choose for our demo purposes. I'm going to use my Facebook page. Click messenger, scroll down. So we're going to choose performance goals, maximize number of conversations. Budget and schedule, we're done with the budget in CBO. Its campaign objective is 500 pesos. You start your campaign on the following day, always. Start around 12 a.m. Set your end date. So we are going to run our ad campaigns for 7 days. And in the evening, okay, so in audience control, we're going to edit our location, one campaign, one city. So we choose one city here. We choose broad. Okay, scroll down. Hold on, we need to edit this. Quezon City, Metro Manila. That's it. So it's broad. Show more options. As is. Edit this. Choose 25 years old. Minimum. Or you can still okay. So placement as is. Right, so we need to double check. Okay. Okay, so we're done. Click next. We choose broad. Okay, inside your ad copy, edit your ad name. Car brand 2026. Engagement plus messaging. Campaign. Alright. Okay, so scroll down. Facebook page. Okay, let's create ad. Create ads. Choose single image at this moment. Then inside your ad creative, set up your creative. Choose image ad. Wait. Okay, so we're going to choose our creative. Choose this one first. Okay, original. So we need to replace this. So the aspect ratio to make our image fit. Okay. Right. So replace this one also. Back. Oh, it's fit. So your ads is visible and clear. Now we are done here. Click next. Edit your primary text. Need a car. Fast approval. Okay. So it depends on your text, your messaging, your message to your potential buyer. Okay. Now here, apply all the text generated with the AI. So we're going to target some buyer persona. Here we have the approval warriors, car seekers, urgent car buyers. Okay, so let's scroll down. Edit your headline. Okay, send message. Let's change this. Say huge discount. Send message. Right, so these are the variations of your headline created by the Meta AI. So we have here the description. So edit this. Get a car. Fast. We got one with fast approval. Huge discount. Hold on. Huge discount. Discount. Waits. Okay. Send. Send message. Oh no. Ask me. So you're giving an action or order to your potential buyer. Ask me today. Okay, then call to action, send message. Then we're done. Next. So here is the creative image generator by Meta AI. So you don't want to ruin your original ad creative, so we're going to skip this. And then inside your creative enhancement by Meta AI, we don't want to ruin our original creative, so we're going to turn this off. And let's check. So everything's off. I want to see this. Off. We don't want to add some music, so let's click next. Good. So again, we don't want our ad creatives to be translated, okay, with the other languages. So let's click done. There. So this is your first add copy for your messaging campaign with the engagement campaign objective. So if you're satisfied with this, then let's try to advanced preview. There. Okay, so let's click the Advantage plus Creative. So we need to turn off the all optimization. We don't want our original ad creatives to be enhanced or changed by the AI. Okay, so we are done here, so we need to click save. Okay, so now we have one ad copy, so we are going to create another one, at least 5 ad copies for one campaign. Okay, so we need to duplicate this. Click duplicate, and then click original. Number of copies 1. Now after duplicating your campaign, now we're going to edit your ad name. Okay, so just the number. Okay, and then scroll down. Facebook page, your Facebook page, set up, choose create ad and single image. Then scroll down. This time we're going to edit your ad creative. Delete this, replace a new image. Now we're going to choose our creatives. Let's choose this one. Okay, once you get inside the creative setup, choose regional, but this time we're going to replace this to fit in inside the box. So we're going to choose a 1080 by 1920 aspect ratio. Okay, so it's fit in, and this time we're going to replace also to make our creatives fit inside the box. So we're going to choose a 1200 by 628 aspect ratio. You can edit your creatives inside the Canva. Okay, and then next, so edit your primary text. Okay, scroll down. Let's try to refresh the variations of personas. Okay, turn on. So this one is created by the Meta AI. Okay, then apply all four. We have a messaging generated for car searchers, credit conscious shoppers. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, this time your headline will be the same, but you can still edit and make some variations. If not, you can ask the Meta AI to generate other variation for your headlines. Okay, then edit your description. You can add more for the text descriptions, I mean the image description. And then your call to action is send message. Okay, and then we are done here. The next, so we don't want the AI to alter our creatives, so we're stick with our creatives. Then click next. Inside the Advantage plus Creative Enhancement, again, we don't want the AI to alter our original creative, so we are skipping this. Turn this off. Okay, and then once we are done, we click next. Okay, translation, so we skip this one, and then we're done. Okay, so once we are review things, if all the details are complete, we don't want to miss things, especially the call to action. Okay, then we try to review the creatives. So let's look for the advanced preview. So basically, this is your ads will be look like once we launch this or publish the ads. Okay, so to wait. Okay, I think we're done here. So let's check the advantage plus creative. So we don't like turn this off, all optimizations. We don't like music for our creative, so we hate distractions. So let our buyers focus just only in our creatives. Okay, so we're done. Save. Okay, so if you're going to for each campaign, you have one ad set, one campaign objective is messaging, your ad set, and then your ad copies. So for each campaign objective, at least you have a 5 ad copies. Okay, so that is the engagement campaign objective plus messaging. Okay, I forgot this. You can edit your message template, but I prefer to use the Meta AI for generated questions, so it will be more easier for us. All you have to do is just must have a ready answer for these questions once your campaign ads run. Okay, so that will be all, and we are done here. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.